Hello, this is the S-band front-end receiver team. Our project is mentored by Dr. James Averly. Smallsats are satellites lighter than 1,100 pounds. S-band receiver is a part of a project that was proposed by ASU's Smallsat ground station facility. The main goal of the project is to advance the capabilities of this system through installation of a cutting-edge S-band receiver on ASU's installed 10-foot parabolic reflector. The most important specifications for the device are listed in this slide. The board can be divided into four main components: the switch, the LNA, the bandpass filter, and the power delivery network. This slide shows the modifications that we've made to our design schematic. We've simplified the design so we no longer have two LNAs and two bandpass filters, and we've also shown the power delivery network.
We received Corvo LNA along with evaluation board that is shown on figure 4. Now the team will be able to test both components by connecting to parabolic reflector. The first level we tested Corvo LNA that was simulated with ideal capacitors and inductors, just to see the gain that we can receive from LNA between 2.3 and 2.5 gigahertz frequency. The next part was to test LNA with chosen components that were selected from Murata for the capacitors and Colcraft for the inductor. And we observed the difference about 45 dB between ideal components and non-ideal components.
So here's the simulation for the SPGT switches and in off mode. So here's the simulation for the filter, which is a third order microstrip couple line filter, and with an equal ripple of half GB in passband of 2200 to 2450 megahertz. Oh, so here's the layout for the filter, and we'll be completing the layout in ADS and simulating in momentum and tweak the values to complete the design.
Alright, so a simulated comparison between the ideal and actual capacitor and inductors for the LNA has been completed, along with simulations for the filter and the switches. The components will be tested on the roof of the building ISTB4, and the full S-band receiver schematic simulation will be run. The team has altered the timeline and the deliverables. This way, the goals are more realistic to match up with our deadline.